What if I told you that behind every legendary BMW R1250 GS, there's a symphony of precision engineering, cutting-edge technology, and sheer human passion? This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a testament to German ingenuity, built to conquer continents and inspire unparalleled adventures. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive, behind-the-scenes tour, counting down the most jaw-dropping steps in how this iconic machine comes to life. From raw materials to roaring perfection, get ready to witness manufacturing magic. This is more than just a bike, it's an engineering marvel, and you're about to see exactly why. Coming in at number 7, we begin where all legends do, with an idea. But this isn't just any idea, it's BMW's vision for the ultimate adventure bike. The R1250 GS starts its life as intricate sketches and sophisticated CAD models. Engineers and designers work in perfect harmony, meticulously crafting every curve, every ergonomic detail, long before a single piece of metal is cut. This initial phase is crucial, setting the stage for the bike's renowned balance, comfort, and unmistakable aesthetics. It's where form meets function in a digital ballet of brilliance. Still on number 7, this digital design isn't just for show. It undergoes rigorous simulations, virtual wind tunnel tests, and stress analyses to ensure every component can withstand the harshest environments the R1250 GS will encounter. This predictive engineering is phenomenal. Before the first physical prototype is even built, BMW knows exactly how the bike will perform. It saves countless hours and resources, ensuring that when the physical build begins, it's already refined, robust, and ready to roll. It's an iterative process of digital perfection, leading to real-world dominance. Dropping to number 6, we delve into the very heart of the beast, the legendary Boxer engine. It all begins with a spectacular display of raw power in the foundry. Molten aluminum, heated to extreme temperatures, is precisely poured into complex molds to create the iconic engine block. This isn't just any casting. It's a high-pressure, vacuum-assisted process that ensures every block is free of imperfections, incredibly strong, and lightweight. The precision here is paramount, laying the foundation for the engine's incredible durability and performance. Following the casting, still at number 6, the raw engine block undergoes a mesmerizing transformation through multi-axis CNC machines. These incredible robots precisely mill, drill, and polish every surface to tolerances thinner than a human hair. Every bore, every mounting point, every channel for oil and coolant is perfectly sculpted. This meticulous machining is critical for the engine's internal components to fit flawlessly, ensuring optimal performance, longevity, and that characteristic BMW reliability. It's a dance of steel and aluminum, orchestrated by pure computational genius. At number 5, we witness the creation of the engine's intricate internal organs, the crankshafts and gearboxes. The crankshaft, the very spine of the engine, is forged from high-strength steel, then meticulously balanced to near perfection. Any imbalance would cause vibrations and reduce performance. Simultaneously, the gearbox components, gears, shafts, and shift forks, are manufactured with equally impressive precision, ensuring smooth, precise shifts for thousands upon thousands of miles. This symphony of rotating metal is truly a marvel, destined to endure endless adventures. Still at number 5, let's talk about BMW's groundbreaking shift-cam technology. This revolutionary system, housed within the engine, features variable valve timing and valve lift. The camshafts for the intake valves are designed with 2 different cam profiles for each valve, allowing the engine to adapt its performance characteristics on the fly. This complex mechanism is assembled with incredible care, ensuring seamless transitions between power and efficiency. It's this level of innovation that truly sets the R1250 GS apart, making it supremely versatile. At number 4, the engine assembly line is where the Boxer engine truly comes to life. It's a ballet of human skill and robotic precision. Expert technicians meticulously assemble hundreds of components, pistons, connecting rods, cylinder heads, and the intricate shift-cam system into the engine block. Each step is carefully documented and checked. It's not just assembly, it's a precise integration of finely crafted parts. The famous boxer configuration, known for its low center of gravity and smooth power delivery, is painstakingly pieced together with an unwavering commitment to quality. Still on number 4, once fully assembled, every single engine undergoes an initial test run. Not in a bike, but on a specialized test bench. This crucial step ensures that oil pressure is correct, all systems are functioning perfectly, and there are no leaks whatsoever. Imagine the power contained within, revving up for the first time. This early detection of any anomalies is vital, guaranteeing that only flawless power plants proceed to the next stage. It's a symphony of gauges and diagnostics, confirming the heart of the R1250 GS is strong and ready for duty. Coming in hot at number 3, we focus on the bike's backbone, the frame. High-strength steel tubes are precisely cut, bent, and then welded together with incredible accuracy by advanced robots. The welding quality is paramount for the bike's structural integrity, safety, and renowned handling characteristics. After welding, the frames move to a meticulous multi-stage cleaning process before receiving a durable powder coat finish. This protective layer not only looks fantastic but also provides exceptional corrosion resistance, preparing the frame for a lifetime of adventure in any weather. Still at number 3, once the frame is perfected, it's time for the skin, the paintwork. BMW's paint shop is an incredibly clean, temperature-controlled environment where multiple layers of paint are applied. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about durable protection. From the primer to the base coat and the final clear coat, each layer is applied with robotic precision, then meticulously baked. The iconic BMW colors shine through, reflecting the brand's premium quality. The result is a stunning finish that stands up to the elements and turns heads wherever you ride. Now for number 2, the final assembly line, where all the individual masterpieces converge. Here, the perfectly painted frame meets the roaring boxer engine, a moment often referred to as the marriage. This is where the R1250 GS truly starts to look like the adventure machine we know and love. Skilled technicians, working with synchronized precision, install the suspension, wheels, wiring harnesses, braking systems, and all the ergonomic components. Every bolt is torqued to exact specifications, often by automated systems, ensuring absolute safety and structural integrity. Continuing with number 2, the R1250 GS is packed with advanced electronics, from its TFT display to rider aids like ABS Pro and Dynamic ESA. Integrating these complex systems is a critical part of the final assembly. Technicians meticulously connect wiring harnesses, install control units, and ensure every sensor communicates perfectly. Simultaneously, ergonomic components like the handlebars, seats, and foot pegs are fitted, often with adjustable options to suit different riders. It's a delicate balance of mechanical integration and technological sophistication, creating a seamless rider experience. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Coming in at number 1, the absolute most crucial stage in creating the BMW R1250 GS, the relentless pursuit of perfection through comprehensive quality control and testing. Every single bike undergoes an exhaustive series of checks. This isn't just a quick glance, it's a deep dive into every function, every component, every connection. From fluid leak tests to electrical system diagnostics, no stone is left unturned. This final scrutiny ensures that only bikes that meet BMW's legendary standards of excellence ever leave the factory floor. Still at number 1, the checks continue with a dynamic rolling road test. Here, the R1250 GS is run through its gears, simulating real-world riding conditions. The engine, transmission, brakes, and all electronic systems are put through their paces. But it doesn't stop there. Many bikes also receive a personal ride test by an experienced BMW technician. Yes, a human takes it for a spin. This final, subjective assessment ensures the bike feels absolutely perfect, just as intended. It's the ultimate stamp of approval before it ever reaches a customer. Finally, at number 1, once the R1250 GS has passed every single stringent test, it's carefully prepared for global distribution. Each bike is meticulously cleaned, protective films are applied, and it's securely packed into specialized crates, ready for its journey to dealerships worldwide. From the moment of conception in Berlin to its arrival at your local dealer, every R1250 GS is a masterpiece of engineering, passion, and adventure. It stands as a testament to what's possible when uncompromising quality meets an insatiable desire for exploration. Your adventure, truly, awaits. And there you have it, folks. An incredible journey through the heart of BMW Motorrad's Berlin factory, unveiling the meticulous process behind the legendary R1250 GS. It's more than just a machine, it's a meticulously crafted companion, built with unparalleled precision and a commitment to adventure. From the initial spark of an idea to the final thrilling test ride, every stage is a testament to German engineering excellence. What an astonishing blend of human skill, robotic accuracy, and pure passion. Which stage amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more epic content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Until next time, ride safe and explore everything.